In this video, we will walk through how to view emails and SMS messages that have been sent through your system. Copies of automatically generated emails are not saved, only those sent manually by you or your staff members. There are a few different places in your console that these messages are stored. You can always view email and SMS message history on a volunteer's profile. To do this, click on Search Manage Volunteer Database from the main dashboard. Locate the volunteer for whom you would like to view the history and click on the button next to their name to view profile details. Near the middle of the pop-up, you will be able to view email message history as well as SMS text message history. For emails, you can view the subject of the email as well as the date and time it was sent right on this screen. You can see the full contents of this email by clicking on the button to view the message. This includes who sent it, the analytics, the recipients, and the full contents of the message. For SMS messages, you can initially view the date and time it was sent along with the full content of the message. If you click to view the message, you can also see the phone numbers of all the recipients. Messages are also stored for a time in the system log, which you can access from the main dashboard. Messages are not stored indefinitely, but if you are looking for a message that you sent recently, you can search here to find it.